In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Quantower, whether you're documenting a trading session, sharing results with a colleague, or backing up your analysis. Exporting clean data only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. Start by opening the exact panel you want to export from. This can be a chart if you're focused on price action and indicators, or a table if you're working with data like orders, positions, or time and sales. The export is panel-specific, so selecting the right place ensures you capture precisely what you need without extra clutter. Next, look to the top left corner of that panel for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click it to reveal the panel's options. This is your quick access point for tools related to that specific chart or table. From the menu, choose Export Data. This opens the export dialog, which is where you define exactly what gets saved. The choices you see will match the content of your panel. For a chart, you can include items like price, volume, and indicator values you have applied. For a table, you'll be able to export the columns and values currently available there. Take a moment to select only the data that matters for your purpose. Keeping it focused makes the file easier to use and typically smaller and faster to work with. Now pick your file format. CSV is a great choice if you plan to work with the data in spreadsheets or analysis tools. Programs like Excel, Google Sheets, and most data platforms open CSV files seamlessly. If your goal is a quick, shareable snapshot that looks good in a browser, choose HTML. It's convenient for viewing and sharing without additional formatting. When your selections look right, click Export File. You'll be prompted to choose where to save it on your computer. Pick a folder you can easily find later, and give the file a clear name that reflects the instrument, panel type, and date, so it's instantly recognizable. After saving, you can open a CSV in your preferred spreadsheet app or view an HTML export directly in a web browser to verify everything looks correct. That's all there is to it. Open the panel, use the menu, select Export Data, choose the content, pick your format, and save the file. With this workflow, you can quickly move information out of Quantower and into your reporting, research, or backups with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.